I found in the carburetor there was a jet that was falling out and stopping the float from going all the way down to fill the bowl. The float needle wasn't operating properly. So I took it apart, put the fuel jet back where it was supposed to be, the one it had fallen out, and cleaned up the carburetor inside and out. So it functions properly now. You do have to hold the choke about maybe somewhere around halfway to make it idle right, or not idle right, but to go up in a high RPM right. Otherwise it surges a little bit, but there's not a lot that can be done about that. So if you hold the choke about where it's at, halfway, right there and right there, it'll run, and it puts out good voltage, 240 volts, 120 volts on a single outlet, and 240 on the high voltage outlet. And you have around 70 volts coming out here and here on your weld. So that's good enough to weld with, and everything else is operational. So it's a good machine. It was just the carburetor that was messed up on it a little bit.